Goedendag. In this video I'm going to show you my chess puzzle box. Some time ago MrPuzzle and Ramsay both filmed this box and made a review for it. And I know I'm a little bit late with filming this box myself, but I hope I might provide some new information on the box because I'm going to show how the mechanism works and obviously how to open the box itself. So let's start with opening the box. As you can see, there is a little lock piece here. And if you push this lock piece at the right moment, this lid will pop off. But in order to open the lock piece, there are sliders which have to be moved. And as you can see, this slider has a little X on it. And that means that it should be closed. But there are also other sliders. This one has a little lock with an arrow facing this way. And let's see how I make that other slider visible, which can be a bit tricky because I've opened this box for a million times. Look, here is a lock with a line. So basically 6 of the 8 endings of these parts, because these ones stick out of course, have an X. Only these two have a lock symbol. And this one with the arrow here, and this one with the arrow to the dotted line. So that means that this one should be all the way out, and this one should be like this. So like this. But the thing is, all the X's should be inside the box. So this X shouldn't be visible. So at the moment, this X is blocking the opening mechanism. So let's close the box again and let's open it from the start. The sequence of this box takes 30 steps, but I've opened this box so many times over the past year that I could literally dream this opening mechanism. And here we go. So now all the sliders are inside except for these two. And as you can see, this one is at the dotted line. And if you push, you can see it's already falling a little bit inside the box. If you push this, then the lid will open up a little bit and you'll be able to open it up. It's held here by magnets and you can see the inside of the box. The chess box I open at the close. And as some of you might know, and some of you won't, MrPuzzle found a second compartment in this box, but Ramsay didn't. So in order to open this secret compartment, first of all you have to figure out that this part is held down by magnets. And there's a little hole, but it doesn't really do anything. So this is a Harry Potter reference. I open at the close is a hint. You have to close the box in order to use this little hole. So if you close the box, then you can use this pin, which will now be able to go further inside the box. You can push that and a second lid opens. I wasn't aware I put a little animal figure in this one as well. I didn't do this for the first few boxes, but I started hiding these random animal figures. Like each box has another one. I've made a lot. Well, there might be a few with the same, but I try to do as many different ones. I hide one in each box. So this is the chess puzzle box, and you can see this hole is now visible. But if I move something all the way around, now the hole is closed. So how does this mechanism work? The mechanism, if you hold the box like this, consists of 2 parts. These sliders, the vertical sliders, have 2 mazes, one at this point and one at this point. And this one has also 2 mazes, one at this point and one at this point. So there are basically 4 mazes and each maze is 5 by 5. And these sliders, the horizontal ones, have 2 pins, and they are inside the mazes. And those pins are at the middle of the maze. So the pin can go 2 to the left and 2 to the right, and the maze itself can move up and down, 2 to the top and 2 down. So this is 2 steps for the maze. And this is 1 step for the maze. So let me show you the mazes and the steps which they cycle through while opening the box. Here you can see the mechanism of the box. You see the 4 mazes and the pins which are in the middle of each maze. On the left side there are 2 holes in 2 of the sliders. And in order to open the box, both holes have to be at the same place, so the pin can move up. Once the box is opened, the 2 holes align and you can push the pin, which pushes up the lid, which is only attached by magnets. This was the maze puzzle box. I hope I gave you a better understanding of how the mechanism works. If you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell notification button, so you will get a notification when I upload something new. And I hope to see you in that other video. Thank you for watching.